All right, here's a quick little demo of the Grayhat Warfare integration, which was just launched on the develop branch. And so go ahead and hit System Configure to make sure you've got a key. Sits down here, Grayhat Warfare API key. Notice I've already plugged an API key in. You can tell because I've got those last three there. And if you click this, it'll take you right to the right place to sign up in case you don't already have a key. And so just going back here, I'm going to spin up a new project. So we'll call it Grayhat Test. And what we're going to do is we're going to select the search Grayhat Warfare task. And it'll take a string. And let's give it something that'll give us like a lot of results. Test seems obvious. And we're not going to care about the machine. We're not going to care about iterations. We are going to go ahead and enrich because once we pull in a bucket from here, it will go out and it will look inside that bucket to determine if there's any interesting files. And interesting is usually just a larger file, something that might be worth a second look. So go ahead and hit run task here. And that's going to go out to the Grayhat Warfare API with that key. It's going to search for test. And it's going to go ahead and start to create those AWS buckets. And you can see here there's a bunch of them. And like I said, this will automatically enrich these. So if you go to the results view, you can see there's a bunch of enrichment tasks that have kicked off. Go ahead and show us only the complete stuff. See, a bunch of those are already complete. It's pretty quick. And so if something interesting is found, it'll actually show up here in the issues section. So we'll just hang out for a second and see if we find anything interesting. And there's one right there as I refresh. Tumundos-test. Go ahead and click that, and it'll give you some details. Game SDK looks like in this case, and you can click there and go right to the bucket. So that's the gist of it. Certainly you can search for whatever you'd like there, and turns out to be a pretty awesome resource. Thanks for the time.